Okay, real talk. You have probably been stuck in the never-ending research loop, right? You are stuck between the sky-high fees for private Indian colleges and the crazy competition for government seats. I get it. It's overwhelming. But what if I told you that there's a smart, affordable and globally recognized alternative that is already being trusted by thousands of Indian students? Yup. MBBS in Russia. Hi everyone, I'm Priya and in today's video, I'm going to share you everything you should know about studying MBBS in Russia in 2025. From the cost, eligibility, top university and to the entire admission process. So stick around till the end and I promise this video is going to give you the clarity that you have been looking for. Okay, first up, why Russia? Let me tell you why it's become one of the top choices among the Indian students. Russian medical degrees are globally recognized. You get approvals from WHO, NMC and even ECFMG. So you can practice in India and worldwide. And the tuition fees is super affordable. Most universities charge from rupees 2.5 to 5 lakhs per year. Yeah, you heard that right. And the best part, there is English medium program for international students. So no Russian language stress here at all. No donation fees and no hidden charges. It's all based on your NEET score and 12th marks. Living cost in Russia are also reasonable. It's around 15 to 20,000 per month including food and accommodation. And guess what? It's safe for international students with Indian communities and even Indian food around most of the campuses. Before we get into the cost and application process, let's quickly talk about the 2025 updates. 6th year of MBBS now includes 1 year internship and it is NMC compliant, which means more real-world experience. FMGE pass rate are improving. With proper preparation, clearing the exam is getting easier. Seats are filling up faster than ever, so applying early gives you a better chance. Some universities now offer optional Russian language training, which can be easier for clinical rotation. Studying medicine isn't cheap, but Russia offers an amazing deal. Let me break it down for you. Tuition fees are generally between rupees 2.5 to 5 lakhs per year. Hostels and accommodation usually cost between rupees 50,000 to 1 lakh per year. And the living expenses around rupees 15 to 20,000 per month depending on where you live. For the entire 6-year program, you would pay around 25 to 35 lakhs, which is still a fraction of what you had to pay here in India. Private colleges in India can easily cost you rupees 1 crore or even more. Here's a pro tip. Cities like Belgorod and Orenburg have even cheaper living costs than Moscow. So if you are on a budget, these are the great options. So who can apply? It's pretty straightforward. You need to be NEET qualified, no exception. At least 50% marks in physics, chemistry and biology in 12th standard and 40% if you're from a reserved category. And you should be 17 years old by December 31st of the year you're applying. And that's it. No donation and no entrance exam. And for the documents, make sure you have a valid passport, NEET scorecard and any translated certificates ready. Now, let's talk about the top universities that you should consider when choosing where to study. Kazan Federal University, top rank with modern facilities and a vibrant student life. Bashkir State Medical University, affordable with a large Indian student community. Crimea Federal University, NMC approved, budget friendly, offers a great clinical rotation. First Moscow State Medical University, one of the most prestigious, though a bit more expensive, Orenburg State Medical University. Quality education with solid global exposure. Other mentions include Volgograd State Medical University and Prem State Medical University. Both offer excellent exchange program and great clinical experience. So here's how you can apply. The process is simple and straightforward. Choose your university and apply online or through a trusted authorized representative. Submit your NEET scorecard, passport and academic documents. Once accepted, you will get an admission letter, book your tickets and attend pre-departure briefing and get ready to fly. And once you arrive in Russia, start your medical journey. Don't forget to budget for travel insurance, health checkups and a forex card. And it's a good idea to download apps like Google Translate or Duolingo to help with the basics of Russian. Now, I know all of this info can be a bit overwhelming. Choosing the university, comparing the fees, the application process, it can all get confusing. And that's where Select Your University comes in. They are a trusted consultancy that offers free guidance to help you choose the right university depending on your goals. They will help you with everything, shortlisting the university, the fees, accommodation, living conditions, everything until the application process. If you are NEET qualified, passionate about medicine, and open to studying abroad, then Russia is definitely a worth considering. And remember, always stay updated with NMC notification about foreign medical education to ensure you are eligible for lightening the exam. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more such abroad tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Best of luck on your MBBS journey and I will see you soon in the next video.